Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic in our writing section, that is picture composition. Now children, look at these beautiful pictures. Aren't they pretty? Yes, they are. Every picture speaks something. What is the first picture about? It is a park where the children are playing and enjoying. Then in the second picture, the sun is shining brightly. Next is you can see a rainbow and the clouds. Then the aeroplane in the sky. Now children, what do you mean by picture composition, or what is a picture composition? A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a composition having meaningful sentences. So a picture will be given to you and you will have to write sentences describing the picture, and the sentences which you make should be meaningful. Now, steps to write a picture composition, or how to write a picture composition. So children, there are few rules which we have to follow while writing a picture composition. So children, let us see the rules for writing a picture composition. You should observe the picture carefully. Observe the picture carefully means you have to look at the picture carefully. Identify the objects that are there in the picture. You have to observe the picture and you have to also look at the things and the people and the action which is given in the picture. Try to ask yourself questions and answer them. By looking at the picture, in your minds you can ask questions and give answers to those questions. Make complete and meaningful sentences in present tense. This is very important. You will not make incomplete sentences. Your sentences should be complete and it should make sense. And all the sentences should be written in present tense. We are always going to use is, am, are, and we should never use was or were. Write the sentences in a logical order. What do you mean by logical order, children? Logical order means that you are going to write the sentences in the way things are happening in the picture. Now children, here is a picture given. The first thing you are going to do is observe this picture. I will give you 5 seconds to observe or look at the picture. What is given in the picture? How many children are there in the picture? What are the things or the objects you can see in the picture? Okay. Now let us see what we have observed in this picture. Now it appears that the children are enjoying a picnic. So the theme of this picture is picnic. 2 trees, plants we can see, green grass. 8 children can be seen in this picture. Tent, basket, a jug full of water, plate and glass, and clouds. These are the things which we have observed in the picture. Now let us make meaningful sentences. First one, children are out for a picnic. There are 2 coconut trees. There are many children playing together. A basket of food is kept on the mat. There are clouds in the sky. One boy is hiding behind the plants. Can you see? A boy hiding behind the plants? Okay. A man is cooking food for the children. See, a man is cooking food. Children are having a good time. So, children, did you see how we wrote these sentences? First sentence is the opening sentence, which has the theme of the picture. The children are enjoying the picnic. So, I have written the first sentence as children are out for a picnic. Then the last sentence should be the end of the composition. So, I have written children are having a good time. Can you see, children? All the sentences are written in capital letter. Then the sentences are ending with the full stop. You can see the use of present tense in all the sentences: are, is. In this way, we are going to describe a picture. Now, children, this is a picture which is given in your textbook on page number 30. And you have to write 5 or 6 lines describing this picture in your notebook. Now, this you have to write it in your notebook also. Now, let us see what sentences can we write after looking at the picture. First thing you have to do is to look at the picture carefully. Now, it is a bright and sunny day at the beach. There is a big ship in the water. Many children are playing in the sand. They are making big sand castles. One girl is playing with a blue ball. Everyone is enjoying at the beach. So, have you understood how we are going to write the sentences? First is the opening sentence, last is the concluding sentence, and we have described the objects and the people which we are seeing in this picture. So, children, this picture composition you are going to write in your notebook. And here is another picture, and you have to do this composition writing as homework. Look at the given picture and write 5-6 lines about it in your notebook. So, children, I hope you have understood this topic well. So, write both the picture descriptions in your notebooks. And thank you, children, and Jai Swaminarayan.